Hey, Robert Davis back with you after a break. I want to cover something today that probably seems simple at the outset, but it's a bit tricky uh, in how you build your strings to search for or filter. In this case, we want to filter. The issue was being able to set a filter on the main table of the database of our genealogy program so that we could extract bloodlines from the family name. So let's get right into that and see what we got. This is the main form here. Filters exact and like. And we have our ADO connection, ADO table, which is the main table, and the data source, which connects up to this DB navigator and this DB grid. And we have three buttons, which really are our money makers. So let's look and see what this does. It's kind of interesting. Now I have the filter strings hard coded. I'm not using edits or variables or anything. So this is just a stub program to test out the main deal. And as you can see in our database, we have some without family names, we have some with family names, some with hyphenated family names, indicating a bloodline that may be branched off. So there you have that. And so what we're going to do is use this exact button, and I think what we're looking for hard-coded is Davis. No, sorry, Sims. Let's jump out of this and go back to the code and put in Davis. And then run this. It'll have kind of a contrasting effect here. This is the natural state, you recall. And press exact. You see that? There's all the Davises by family name. And it's just Davis. So if we do the like button, we hope to find any family name with Davis included in it or like. So here we go. And there you have it. Davis McEwen. And I think that's the only combination that we have. And then we can clear the filter and go back to the databases, the table's natural state. Now, just a note here, you cannot filter a child table. It has to be the parent table. And then the child records are taken care of by the relationship created in the parent table. So don't bother trying to filter a child table unless you're using it as a standalone table, because it won't let you. So here again, exact, Davis, like, Davis McEwen, and clear the filter or return it to the natural state. So here's what turned out to be the tricky one, the family like, and then getting this quoted string plus the quotes, the wildcard characters and quotes, and the the name in quotes that we're looking for, the string that we're looking for. You can also do this. We'll just put a dash in there and see what we get. And see, there you have all the Davis McEwens. Not Davis alone, but Davis McEwens. So this is going to make my sister happy. And which is important to me. She's worked hard on this for years now. And I think I have the fun part. I think she has the hard part. Anyway. But that's what it boils down to. You can do the same thing with SQL query. I may have said that. But I don't know why you'd want all the extra components flying around when a filter will do just fine on your parent table. And that will also work to the advantage of child records in the child table or tables. So, tinker with that. See what suits your needs. You can try different wildcard characters, but these work the best for me in accomplishing what we wanted to do. So anyway, that's it for this little brief tutorial, and you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time here. Give me a like, subscribe, leave a comment or a question in the comments below. And I thank you for hanging with me. Again, I'm Robert Davis, Delphi Programming Tutorials. Okay, bye.